As competition in the e-mobility evolution increases, companies have to quickly develop product lines and manufacturing processes. Reliable partners can make these transitions smoother. Fuchs has been making high-quality lubricants for over 90 years. A lot has changed since we first began, and we bet our original employees, people like Walter here, couldn't imagine where we are now. Sure, we have a long history of globally recognized expertise in the automotive industry, and we've developed over 10,000 lubricants. But today, we're pioneering the future of e-mobility. We're doing things that would be unfathomable to someone like Walter from a century ago.
What do you mean? What's changed?
Why don't we let our customers tell you? Take a seat and let's go. Frank here is manufacturing the very batteries that are powering the electric vehicle evolution.
Hey there. Fuchs is our full solution partner, and we use their products at every stage of manufacturing. That includes EcoCool cutting fluids in Renault form for stamping the battery housings to corrosion preventatives and cavity protection. Of course, batteries don't work if they're not connected up, so we use Niogel and Renault to lubricate all the connections and keep the voltage moving.
Speaking of moving, let's head on over to Maria. Her operation is using Fuchs products under the vehicle body.
There's no combustion under some of these hoods, but powerful fluids are still needed to manufacture electric motors and hybrid engines, transmissions, braking, and more.
And we're making advancements in sustainability in every area, from our supply lines, through our customers' production, and beyond.
It's technology that pays back.
We strive to make things more efficient and sustainable for our customers. How are our customers making things more efficient for electric vehicles? Maybe Vinod can tell us.
Hello. In a process called lightweighting, we're making body components out of aluminum and Gen 3 steel. Advancements in aluminum alloys and steel require new methods and lubricants for forming structural body parts.
We are actively working with many partners to develop solutions that are more efficient and lower energy consumption.
But even now, Fuchs' innovative Anti-Cort, 4Gs, and Renoform products are integral to our ability to make safer, lighter vehicles that can be produced at optimum temperatures.
And when it comes to optimal temperatures, the motors on electric vehicles still need lubrication to ease friction. Let's check in with Hiroshi about initial fill lubricants.
We're using Fuchs Blue EV, a full range of e-mobility lubricants that covers our entire initial fill. Even though there's no combustion with electric vehicles, both electric and hybrid motors still need lubrication. So do the transmissions and hundreds of other lube points. With Fuchs Blue EV, we get high-level efficiency and sustainability with optimized costs.
Fuchs Blue EV is complemented by our 9 lubricants portfolio. We provide the most innovative offering of e-drive oil, thermal fluids, and other essential lubricants. With that, we have an entire vehicle built and running with the help of Fuchs lubricants. We're constantly innovating technology that pays back through efficiency and optimization while improving sustainability. With efficient technology meeting intelligent lubrication, how can Fuchs help your operation drive the e-mobility evolution?